Let's make photo manipulation. Bring a cloud image and adjust it. Bring a stone image and adjust it. Apply level and color balance on sky and adjust its values. Now apply level and color balance on stone and adjust its values. Now bring both image in PNG and adjust it. Now bring building image in PNG and adjust it. Apply level and color balance on building and adjust its values. Take mask on every building and start brushing to remove some parts. Make a copy of building with level and color balance and adjust it. Do the same process with other buildings. Bring a moon image in PNG and adjust it. Take a new layer and start brush on moon with white and put blend mood to lighter color. Bring a moon in PNG and adjust it. Make a copy of it to make shadow. Apply hue and saturation and blur effect on it. Apply color balance and adjust its values. Take a new layer and start brushing on man. Put blend mood to soft light and make opacity low. Do same process on stone for blue light effect. Take a new layer again and start brushing with black color. Thank you for watching.